Let's take fire this one. No kitty.
No kitties, huh?
No kitties. No chaser.
Does baby Zach see anything? Do you see anything, Zachary? You gonna try it? No, I think he's too little. Yeah. You have to look for pirates. Do you see any pirates? You see some? Are they gonna try and get us?
No.
Oh, good. Are pirates good guys or bad guys?
Good guy.
Oh, good. Okay.
Pirate.
Pirates. Do you know what pirates say? They say "Arr." Yeah. Oh, that's pretty good. I think baby Zach is a pirate. Do they say "Arr"? And they catch dragonflies, just like baby Zach. And they have a boat too, just like you guys have a boat.
See, I see fish.
You see fish? That's good.